In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Looker Studio. Navigating through Looker Studio might seem a bit intricate at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes a breeze. Let's dive into the process and make it as simple as can be. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to the official Looker Studio website. You can do this by typing https://lookerstudio.google.com/ into your browser's address bar. Once you've reached the Looker Studio homepage, you're on the right track. As you find yourself on the homepage, the next step is pretty straightforward. You will notice a button that says Use it for free. This is your gateway to accessing all the powerful features that Looker Studio offers at no cost. Go ahead and give that button a click. Upon clicking, Looker Studio will prompt you to enter your email address. This is a standard procedure to either log into your existing Google account or to set up a new one if you haven't already. So go ahead and type in your email address in the provided field. After you've entered your email, you will be asked to input your password. Take a moment to ensure you enter your password correctly before hitting the log in button. Remember, this step is crucial for accessing your Looker Studio account, so double check your credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to head over to the Looker Studio dashboard. You can find this by clicking on the Looker Studio link provided or navigating through the Google products available to you. The dashboard is where all the magic happens, from creating new reports to viewing the ones you've already crafted. Now that we're in the main interface, let's locate the report you'll be working with. For our purpose today, you'll click on the Untitled Report, or whichever report you've previously named and wish to edit. This action will open up the report, giving you access to all its pages and content. Within your report, your next step is to click on Report Pages. This option might seem a bit hidden at first glance, but it's your portal to managing all the different pages that your report contains. Clicking this will reveal all your report's pages in an organized, easy to navigate manner. Here's the part you came for, deleting a page. As you hover over the page you wish to remove, you'll notice a three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options icon. Clicking on this icon will unfold additional actions you can take. Among these options, you'll find the Delete button. It's as simple as clicking on it, but keep in mind once a page is deleted, recovering it might not be an option. So make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding. There you have it. You've successfully navigated through Looker Studio and learned how to delete a page from your report. It's worth mentioning that while Looker Studio is an incredibly powerful tool for data visualization, maneuvering through it with ease comes with a bit of practice and familiarity. If you find yourself second guessing or needing to go over the process again, remember, it's absolutely okay. The beauty of videos like this one is that you can pause, rewind, and play as many times as you need until you're comfortable with the steps. Additionally, don't hesitate to explore other functionalities within Looker Studio. There's a whole world of data manipulation and visualization awaiting you. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Remember, the more you explore and practice, the more adept you'll become at leveraging Looker Studio to meet your data analysis needs. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more tutorials in the future. Happy data analyzing!